Hello everyone, thank you for coming to see this video. I'm recording this to talk about how to fix um, Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. So I'm going to try this with you. I'm going to try it for myself and I'm going to try it with you. Please, if it works for you, that's brilliant. Leave positive feedback, and if it doesn't work for you, you might try other options. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's the problem that I have in this ThinkPad. Okay, as you can see, I couldn't turn it on. I could only see those three buttons lighting. Even if I press on the on button, it's not turning on or anything. Which is it just happened suddenly. I couldn't tell the reason why it happened, but I'm going to show you now the steps that I've done to try to fix it. I took the charger, I put it in, took it off. I tried another charger as well. It did not work. Usually when I put it on charge, this button is light, but now when I put it in, it just flashed 3 times. The button flashed 3 times and it stopped, and it did not help. So obviously, so I pressed there, it did not work, as you can see. So what I'm going to be doing is basically trying a method that should work in most cases, but it doesn't have to work. Sometimes it depends on other issues. So try other. Make sure that the electricity coming in. Make sure the plug is plugged properly. There are many ways how you can check that. You can also try another charger and see if it works. So just plug it out and plug it in and try. Now I'm going to take the battery off, and I believe you know how to do it. So you just pull this to the left, the other one to the right, and then you press the battery to the back, this way, as you can see. So take it off. That is the battery. This laptop has 2 batteries, one internal battery, one external battery. The one that I took is the external. I'll try to see if I can do anything. Why is it like so? So try to turn it on, off. No. So I'm going to try to I need to knowing that the internal battery, it just went dead, and it didn't work. So I'm going to wait a bit, and I'm going to try to press the start button and keep it pressed for at least 1 minute to try to empty the laptop from any electric charge. Okay, so please make sure it's at least 1 minute, and that is the way how I'm trying to fix this laptop. If the internal charge is not empty, then you will need to remove it as well. So keep it pressed for at least 1 minute. Guys, make sure you share this video with other friends if you have anyone that like you think they have a similar problem, and also watch my other videos, subscribe, and share the videos with others, please. I just wanted to say that I'm not qualified to fix laptops. I'm a machine and bow engineer, and I'm a mathematician. So, but I'm doing this as a hobby. Most of the time, I manage to fix laptops and things like that. So let's wait and see what you can do. I believe maybe 1 minute is gone. Just wait a couple of seconds just to make sure there is no electric charge in the laptop. The reason why this happened, it could be because of court circuit. Not sure, it could be just because you put the charger in and then something happened. That is, this option that I'm doing is the cheapest one, or the one that you don't need to buy any other things. You just like try it, so you're not losing anything if it does not work. So after that, you get the plug and you plug it in. You wait a bit and then you try it. Okay, here as you can see it works for me. I'm just going to check if everything is okay, log in and check if everything is okay. This laptop is a bit slow, so just bear with me please, and don't stop the video here because I'm going to tell you what to do in case it did not work for you first time. So I'm just trying to check like fingerprint login. Okay, as you can see it's working now, and yeah, I'm just going to switch it off. So everything is working fine. I'm going to switch it off and go show you the steps to fix it if it did not if it's not working already for you as well. So I'll just wait 30 seconds or so for it to turn off. I like to wait until the ventilation and everything go off before I close it. So you can see there the button is lighting still, so just 10-15 seconds. Thank you for waiting. In most cases this should work if it's not a big problem. Now if it did not work for you, what you'll need to do is basically after taking the charge and the external battery, you will need to turn the laptop and open the screws. I believe there are 8 screws, but it depends on your model. But make sure first you take the battery off, because usually there is a screw under it. So this way I'm going to show you how you could do it as well. You can also check if you have 2 batteries or not. You should know it beforehand. So just make sure you unplug it before and face it this way. I already took the battery, as I said already how to do it. Just pull those, don't one to the right, one to the left, and so. And now open those 8 screws, unscrew them. Because it's already worked for me, I'm not going to carry on with this, but you should be able to do it yourself. And the way how you need to take this off is you need to start from the back, not the front, and just pull it to the away from you, pull it the other way. This way it's just, you can click up, and yeah, you just open it. You will not need to unscrew the internal battery. Usually it's fixed with one screw. You will not need to do that unless if you want to change it. You will just need to unplug it from the laptop. There will be small, like some cables like connected together, like one bus, and you just like pull it gently. The cable need to be removed from the computer, not from the charge. So the charge already have this. Okay, and yeah, that's basically after doing that, like taking the battery off, internal battery off, you will need to do exactly the same thing. Wait about 1 minute and open it and press the on button, and keep it pressed for about 1 minute, and hopefully it would work for you. Now, if after all that it does not work, of course you tried in the beginning, tried with a different charger. If you can borrow a charger, similar charger to the one that you have, try it. Make sure it's the problem is not in the charger. The problem is not in the connection between the charger and the computer or laptop. The battery is not problem, because usually if you have a problem with the battery, it will stop working when it's not charged. But otherwise, you know you know how to do it. uh, so that is, this method is the one that worked for me. It worked previously as well, because when laptop gets a little bit older, sometimes you start getting these small issues, and stops working sometimes, and then you just need to try some options before you go out and buy some equipment or buy some materials that you replace to fix the laptop. Usually the problem that we have, like if a laptop just go dead, you want to recover what you have in it, pictures or videos or documents that are important for you. uh, if you are interested, I can show you how to do that even if the laptop is broken, how to try to recover some of the documents, or if not all the documents, or how to copy the memory of the computer. uh, what else? Yes, yes, sometimes it's worthy to go and fix it, give it to somebody and fix it, but sometimes it's probably just like replace it if what you have in it is not that important, because the price to fix it is not worthy sometimes. But it depends obviously on everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope your laptop is fixed. Please, if it did not work for you, just don't leave